My name is Louise Simmons. I am a part of the Harbor Church community. I've been here for 6 years. It's a great honor and privilege to have been part of the gathering this week, which is our annual conference that is very focused on missions and just the Great Commission and the call of believers into the nations of the earth to preach the gospel. Yesterday in the morning service during worship was April 15th of 2012. I had a vision and I saw Jesus he was standing in a valley, and he said, "Let the children come to me." And then I saw a hill, and over the hill I saw thousands and thousands and thousands of Chinese children, and they were running. They had great joy on their face, and they were smiling and laughing. They were running to Jesus into this valley, and they gathered around him. And then I heard the next part of this vision. I heard the voice of the Lord, and he said, "Go." And then the next picture that I saw was I saw a series of hills, other hills, many hills, and I saw Chinese children, thousands of them, running over the top of these hills, and they were going into the nations. And I specifically saw Europe. I saw Chinese children running into Europe and just taking the gospel into European nations. And I felt in the spirit that there is great need for discipling materials for Chinese children. I believe specifically children's Bibles in Chinese, and I am agreeing with that word from the Lord for great provision to come, that thousands and thousands of Bibles will be provided for children to carry with them into the nations. So.